Hook. If you want to rank on Google in 2025, you can't rely on generic AI. Articles are ancient backlink tricks. In this video I'll walk you through a clean, repeatable SEO playbook that uses AI the right way, so your pages climb faster, avoid penalties, and actually convert. Stick with me for the exact checklist I use to plan, write, optimize, and measure content that gets clicks and revenue, not just impressions. Value. Step 1. Topic selection. Open Google and map search intent for your keyword using the SERP itself. What's ranking, who's ranking, and why those results satisfy intent. Creative, SERP notes, doc, page types, content lengths, schema, FAQs, media. Then use AI as a research assistant, not a writer. Feed it the SERP notes and ask for a content outline that covers missing angles. Add first-hand experience, data, and screenshots. These are your EEAT boosters. Step 2. Outline to draft. Have AI produce a structured draft, but you write the intro, results, and conclusions yourself. Include unique insights, price tables, mini case studies, and pros, cons from your usage. Step 3. Optimization. Build an entity map. Brand, product, problems, alternatives, related tools. Use these entities naturally throughout H2s, H3s, and image alt text. Add structured data. Article, how-to, product, FAQ, only if present on the page. Step 4. On-page UX. Place a quick answer box near the top, internal link blocks after each section, and a comparison table that's actually helpful. Compress images, lazy load videos, and make the first contentful paint snappy. Step 5. Publishing cadence. Cluster your topics. Publish 3 to 5 pieces in a cluster within 10 days, then interlink every page with descriptive anchors. Step 6. Measurement. Track query level clicks, average position movement, and conversion rate by landing page. If a page doesn't move in 4 weeks, refresh the intro, expand a thin section, and add an FAQ sourced from Search Console queries. Step 7. Links. Earned first. Ship a stats section or a mini tool that others reference. Outreach second. Pitch your unique chart or data to newsletters and journalists. Step 8. Ongoing improvement. Every 30 days, run a SERP shift audit. Compare your H2s to winners and fill gaps. Call to action. Want my free SERP notes template and entity map? Check the description, drop Playbook in the comments, and subscribe for more battle tested SEO with AI.